In this video, I'm going to show you how you can start buying US stock or Nigerian stock from the comfort of your home using just your phone. This means that if you want to start buying US stock, this is a video for you. All right. So if you don't know what US stock means or Nigerian stock means, this you can just listen to this. Nigerian stock is when we are talking about shares. You understand what we mean by back shares? You know, back in the days, our parents used to buy shares for us, or they buy it for themselves. But mostly, when they buy it for us, they are buying it for future purpose, so that when we grow older, when we are of age, they can give us the profit of the shares, right? So now it has been modernized. We have something that we can actually do from the comfort of our home. So this time, this era, it is called stocks. Every company that is doing well usually have stocks. Stock is a way that consumers can actually invest with this company and they can get their profit. This is a side business, or this is a main business for some other people. As you can see on my phone screen, you have the Apple stocks. Yes, Apple already has a stock app on their phone, but for some people who don't really have the Apple, who really have the iPhone or iPad or MacBook, you can actually buy with your Android phones too. And how you can do it is, first of all, you go to Apple Store or you go to Play Store on your Android phone and you download Bamboo. So we'll be doing that in this video. We'll download Bamboo. Alright, as you can see on the screen, this is a Bamboo. This is a Bamboo app. It says invest, trade, and earn, right? So this is the app we'll be using to buy stock in this video. Alright, because I already have it in my phone, it is saying open. But if you do not have it in your phone, it will say install, right? So let us go into the app right now. So I'll be rotating my phone because YouTube videos are landscape, yeah. So I'll be rotating my phone so we can actually see what is going on. Alright, I rotated my phone, but it's not rotating. Let's just go on with the video. Okay, so because I already have an account with Bamboo, I would choose sign in. But if you do not have an account with Bamboo, you can just click on start investing now, right? So what we are going to do now is to input my phone number. Because of the sake of privacy, I'll be covering this up so that people, we can't be showing everything online. Alright, let's try to rotate it now. Not rotating, but I believe you'll be able to see it, right? So as you can see on the screen, when you are starting the app for the first time, if you are a first time user of this app, they will ask you to verify your identity. So you are going to add your BVN, you are going to do all sort of surveys so that they can know the kind of investment that you are. For me to set up this app, I actually choose the low risk investment because yes, this is a side hustle. I don't really want to put my all into buying stocks online. But for you who wants to make this a main hustle, you can just choose the higher risk investment so that you can receive good and good profit. But mind you, you should be careful when you are doing this, because if you are using the higher risk investment, it can also harm you because if you are running to a loss, it might be too disastrous. All right, so I will advise that you do everything very smartly. But I want to believe that before you start doing this, you have tried to gain some kind of experience before you choose the high risk investment on this. All right, so if you're a starter like me, you can just choose the low risk investment. All right, so when you are done setting up your account, this is what it will look like. And you see this US stocks $00, managed portfolio $00, Nigerian stocks $00, fixed returns, everything is $00 here, right? So I'll be making another video of this later in the future. I'll be buying US stocks. So if you want to be a particle of this, if you want to see how I'm doing this live, I'll be doing this real time. If you want to see how I'm doing this, I want you to subscribe to this channel. I want you to follow this account. If you are saying this, I want you to subscribe to this channel. I want you to like this video. I want you to comment, yes, I want you to do this, so that we can actually do this together. We can actually build financial independence together. All right, so I'll be buying some US stock later on, maybe by the end of this month, maybe next month. I will be buying it. So I want you to subscribe onto this channel so that you can see me doing this and you can do it on your own end too. All right, so what we are going to do to start investing is for us to click on this US stock market. All right, now that we click on this US stock, as you can see on the screen, it's saying pending activation, right? This is because I've not put any dollars into it. To put dollars into it, I can use my Nigerian account or I use my US account. I have both. So for me, in my later video, I'll be using my US account to fund this to fund my account on this application. All right, but if you don't have a US account, I will just advise that you use your Nigerian account to fund this application. All right, so as you can see, when I scroll down, you can see I'm seeing Apple at first, I'm seeing Amazon, I'm seeing Great Skills. So you can just start buying stock of this company. All right, so with my experience, because I've actually done this on another app before, and that app is called Trove. You can also buy US stock on Trove, but for the sake of this video, we are sticking with Bamboo here. So you can buy stock as low as 5,000 naira. Yes, you can buy stock as low as 5,000 naira. So you don't have to put big money into this. All right, so you can just start small and then you can grow later, right? So this is basically everything. You can just see them, see every stock you can buy, right? But for the sake of this video, let us click on Microsoft. If you know Microsoft, Microsoft is a company owned by Bill Gates. Yes, Microsoft. Bill Gates used to be the richest man in the world before Elon Musk. No, before Jeff Bezos collected the title, and then Elon Musk collected the title. Yes. So as you can see on the screen, this is basically the information about Microsoft. So you read everything, you are going to get familiar with everything, and then you just click on the buy button at the bottom of the screen. Buy button. Because I haven't funded this application, saying insufficient fund. But if I have funded it, I will just click on make deposit. You will see US wallet, you see Nigerian wallet here. This is if I want to fund it with my Nigerian account, or I want to fund it with my US account. But because I'll be funding it with the US account later on, so I'll click on US account. I can just click on maybe $10 to start. $10 as at today exchange rate is 15,918 naira. Yeah. So I will just click on deposit, and I will choose my US bank, my US debit card. Yes. So I will just click on that. I will write everything, then I will just click on deposit and it will be successful. It is just as easy as ABC. All right. So yeah, if you like this video, make sure you subscribe, make sure you like this video, make sure you comment on this video, and I will see you in the next video.